na obi ye boy enterprise nkwan na betumi ama nkundwa papa ti said ya mesisu Isaac na obi ye boy nkwan na betumi ama wo nkundwa ene ni wardrobe ne dining ne bar ene ni dressing mirror e wo man we mu ane bo no e dafo na beto nkundwa Isaac na obi ye boy na service ka o dia fre no ma na egu screen so no Isaac Nana
Yenina yenim sem na no me dey twa mi na e march ne da to so e 9 ene nya ne ntie se nipa bonfo bi akoko abrantie bi na enhwemu ne beto odwane na esa abrantie no oyo sra ni na ebra sare wo sem we eto odwa na asrafo che se de course no entwa ye enti almost o me Ashiaman na no mo kwakọhwe nipa bonfo a odi saa enyamra ensem no na eso abusia de ekoba ni se obi bia ebe hia no se oka won se wonka ho ye bro papa ehie ehun komo aba be bebre ama ye former president Yera John Dramani Mahama edina no abetum se de course no entwa ye enti no empanyimfo hwe ana aban hwe na wona ye bo mo no ye mpem pataka sika bi emfama wo mu na abusia enra da no ye kọ ho ene ane hye bi kodetwe enkomo na wo hwe se de ya bu ebinum na mo chia papa na abrante ba akokra de amanebo ne ekyiremu se oye yarefo ye sekla enso asrafo anfo mani anto ebro ne bra enya asem ketwa yenko na yenko video ni se de etie mra ye ba na ye de eho enkomo e wo studio
33-year-old Divine Azanku as one of the many young men who were dragged out of their homes in the early hours of Tuesday, March 7, 2023, in the military swoop at Ashiaman. He was not among the lucky ones who were set free on the same day.
They beat us and they took us from here to Michelle camp. We went there for a while. That place they didn't beat us. We went there for a while. Then they transferred us to Bema camp. In the Bema camp, we passed through some drill, and after that, they brought us back to drop us at Runabout.
He was taken away by the military after receiving severe beatings for a crime he did not commit. He said together with his colleagues, they were not provided with food.
They didn't give us Gary. So they didn't even give us. But that place, they didn't bring us food like this food we should take. But I heard that if you are hungry, there's Gary over here. And everybody too is scared. Maybe you stay are hungry, no, they'll go there, they'll beat.
Bright Daklu, 26, is a sickle cell patient and one of the victims of Tuesday's dawn brutalities.
I left my dad because he was older. So they left my dad and they brought me to there's a chapel here. So that was when they started beating us. So when we were done, they took us to Michelle camp. But when we were going, there was a necklace on my neck. One of them grabbed it and then pulled it off. It just to, I couldn't find it. My phone, some few things on me, I couldn't find them again. We got to Michelle camp and then I have this medical condition, rheumatism. So it kicked in the camp and then they took me to the hospital.
He was left alone after he was taken to the hospital by the soldiers. According to the assemblyman of the Ashiaman Municipal Assembly, Ni Ayiku Kabute, they will head to court if the victims are not compensated. He condemned the actions by the military personnel deployed to the area and further urged the police to speed up investigations. In all, 184 people were whisked away to Bema camp. 34 victims are yet to be released. Godwin Asidiba, TV3 News.
Ebusia na esenya ekoso ewo Ashiaman no efa ba bi ni etwaye anase entwe right.
Yeah.
Esi a wo hwe branche se de yabo mu obi sekla wo etimi abo ye de o makotuma ma de ache dwane krampo no ya mo bi ani. Ye.
And said that we can say an unfortunate, mistake by on the part of them. But you say, as you got for no, what community part? Now I say, where we is it before room? We say, now trust me, and you open never be see. But track power here, command no man, and from one kind of enough, stop this. Obia, baby, beat a crown, they'll take you on. It doesn't matter. You see, that is the kind of training that they have. There be. I saw that one thing here, you to barracks. Your mom money pem and may. It's sometimes Ghana for it so you hear so that what they say. Near more friend Munima. Because social 79, your friend is a cool, a buy and 81. And yet easy. Or Babesiania beer one home near the mark bo our and yet easy. That's how they are trained. And sometimes no one is so there. Just be careful. Near see here no both sides no and yet me met a soldier for a yard there be. Yen himself be in a film, but a do time be as someone say, Yanni yet, Sabi Yemianum Netse. Almost a Ghana for most a Ghana for to do a beer as much as a Yano, as someone say a Yemianum, ya poor man, a Yenny Benya. What I say, let him move on, see, also Yemian, a soldier for no. Yamusa, Yankubia. Now said the Akoya, yeah, Fro Bina, security, yes, a Gary Grace or who shows over Codino. You see, that's how they are. But see, I think that the defense minister should move in and call the situation because baby, I can't. Timber before you do baby, no more feel say they say nice and more trap too much on their writer. And no, I did near my basa ebanity. Baby, I do the emissary and say, I do pray back. Near to me, find it, baby, I will call forth when not obey to me. It's me as soon as a young car.
There's a democracy and I practice organa. Intino say, Obia Kumudia. The best thing is some Jama police no investigation. Muslim farm running said because ye need some soldiers. Now, my queen, the Ubishan Diana.
That's what you're for the woman.
What means it's a go for and
a patrol police for now, maybe I'm more kind than what I can say. Why are they flouting the law? You see, almost sometimes they feel say, yeah, yes, people will override us. That's their feeling. Normal, you just show of force. Say it doesn't have to happen again. And especially Major Muhammad, then they see, no, don't force a no, no, first year answer. It's when so bad they feel say no. It means almost year answer, so let's do more. Silent the action which is going there.
It's almost year answer. See, you cabo more and
not then I make
us will be out to one who near some motion you feel. Near I granted was an idea when you are watching your bone.
And I make us say, Uti, Brony, or what is Nasa, oh, watch will be said, and one I'm a ferry. Me, places be on my intimate now, while me watch them enough for grass on Amatia. Who was a boy, Anna, or be a show with a different eye. Be crying now, why because it's on our fire. It's as it changing the narrative of some places. Place be on my year body here, and go for a scale, I say change the narrative. Now you didn't hear my papa about. And you didn't be any about Ashiaman in you, or their chrono, a true grass. No, I say to me, Bonnie Castle, you're just call as a few, you're not where few, which means the place is changing. What do you mean? Deliberately, no, as a government and the education, echo the slum areas, Choco, Abeka, Fadama, Nima, Ashiaman. And so, yes, some parts of Kaswa, and some of education priority. Because anybody here educated, not in you may be one, my only time. So, on the way, they say government or artisanal or make it frantic effort. Say, I had the model regions. I had this ever call. Now, you raise the standard of living. Approach it. Every time, yeah, slum areas near put down in the South Africa for crying. Omo buni na ebia obi a family bia ma 3 bedroom na ya left the place ni kaka e gwo ma nipa no mo no even no psyche no esa enti ese deliberate attempt say between esa esa dia na e kono sa na be
na wonyi ni say na asraf no mabo asha say asha ma ne mo agasa no mo ashi dada wonyi say no mabo ma 20 na ma omo take that hard decision on them
places be on my police phone call Ashiaman Abeka Fadama, Nima, Mama Mobi, those police no call. No, police no call. They'll beat you. One man go. It's a soldier for no almost, and that place is not almost quiet. Near me say you catch on to the maximum force. It's your do one more on him say, guys now on me hard. But also Charles said, my training makes me superior than you. It's a one no air confrontation. A one of those places no. Because some way so is the one on Koya. Me sure say they'll go and pull people from their houses and be beating them. No. But Ashiaman is noted for criminal activities. And they'll go in there with force. And all they see here.
Okay. Ebusiana Ebra and Semi Chabuno and your former president here John Dramani Mahama and the coach on the Facebook page and a watcher said near a course and Jay say and ran to quality rubbish on some now my job be cry a feelings and a GBR we should condemn it a very bad. Now say as staff also ebe swallow ho no ma call no be shene dem ya kwotwe pie nipa no esikla dey wo ebe shia obusa so ID card we woni bia ya bo ni ajade ebinu mutima papa ni ade entwa yie ejaban ni hwe na won pen patasika bi emfama wo ne no ena ma hye bedwani a wo gyem dia ma de hye wa Ashiaman yera Henry so akopie wa no pay friends adwofo hye mu ena wona ye omapirapira ni aboabo mu nyina na omo kire se asrafo no se aban na hwe anye bibia ma wo mu dia ene ebusu ebe hadwen enti yenkotie esema ma hye bedwani ni to odwa ene omoade sredi a omo de to aban ni mu ye ba na no so ye de hu komodi ato aso.
All that I want to say now, nobody should take the law into his or her own hand. Your leaders, as the MP, we are going to fight for justice. And as we are fighting for justice, we don't expect anybody to act contrary to what we are fighting for. When you see any military man in this community, do not think he has come here because of you. Don't attack anybody. Just remain calm while we, the leaders, fight for you. I hope I'm clear. Yes. I'm rushing to Parliament now to make a statement on this matter once again. And again, the Defense and Interior Committee will be meeting, emergency meeting this morning on this matter. And so I can tell you and assure you that we are making frantic effort for justice to come. And we are asking for compensation as well. If all persuasions fail, that is where we must be heading towards the court and the shrine to petition them for appropriate compensation for the victims. So before then, let's remain calm and things will fall in place. Thank you very much. All that I want to say now, nobody should take the law into his or her own hand. Your leaders, as the MP, we are going to fight.
Ebusiana as Rashe bedwani a wo ho na wabo ade hia won ho eka edwam brass asafo no ekotisi omuso ewo ho na ne nsem na wode etu dwa wakokoye panyimu no esefata se Ghana ensem bi se ba na yede eye amanyosem director ma me fa wo kwechire kaka ebra edra case na esi ye LDC fo no ede ye amanyosem se yenyane ntie se amasa regional minister Ira Simon Semensa for Ashanti region ojito ne ho so se wono ene fra asafo no momko the moment NDC ti asem na ape omode ye politics e ma atimemfo ne didi omuti because edra ho no NDC for stronghold and as I see at him say Ashiaman so NDC stronghold now Ira John Dramani Mahama being a former president now or making such utterances no do you think say e boa say aban no e man patasike bi ma MP ni so ko gina hono maka che o maboabo ma no say aban no amfa ma montra se na penfo yan kokoma mo na to kwa be na mo kokoma ma wo wo ka say di a shet me mu ni ntem no wonyi ni say kwa fa so mo fra ba
we a political talk foolish talk yeah very foolish talk I mean share in terms say very foolish talk awu ko tia patasike an ma omo ya bo mo na hwan na okwa ko tia ma nipa na yekun no because Ghana army they've also lost somebody. When they go to your mom, Ebusiano so actually, when they go, you see, as some bar, one me share Nianka, parliamentarian MP, what could Jawu Kasa say? Very stupid. I'm telling you, you don't have to talk like this. Share as some number. Sometimes, no, yes, a penny who fear you judge on both sides. When the me and come afraid the leaders of guys near Bomono, they will go and meet the Ghana Armed Forces because still tension is high. The movement who can say you back one mamano Ghana Army the full say Charlie say say there be a who kono e ho nye politicians were almost nyama esi wo promo. And I think the constitution should ban a former president from becoming a president again.
Why?
Yes. The moment you be president, you become what we call a statesman. As a statesman, you are supposed to speak for the state, not for a political party. Number two, Doma, he has been what? A chief commander before.
Yes.
Yes. It's who can some that ever wait. Tell me when your attention about I don't even expect Muhammad to talk, if not for politics.
And in his statement now making our sure say me being a former commander or making his statement ni wo who patches
say and it's even wrong at this time to talk. Then be make say money in the politics cheap near more money. Statements now when here no money be na mutie a very terrible statement.
Mu so je ni bi ahwe na ma fa mo sanka.
Ultimate country
kasa ye be ko ama.
Ultimate country obi say.
Russia for parliament here.
Trust me, there is no way civilians can fight the army.
No.
Trust me. Say omoye na ko me say omoye they were lenient with them. Me say a unfortunate situation by both sides. Say you cool no some no, but who person solve the problem. This is not the way. We're a political solution. Because you want more votes there. And it will have a show performance. I'm with you.
On the first time in parliament.
Thank you, Richie.
Your second vote.
One young mature, sir, one bear one chair, one in terreno. But this thing, or a seasoned political winner, he will never do this. Because he said, who is citing the people against the army more? Say, see, compensation, it means that we take action. What do you mean? I say, I don't get treason. You can't treason. Let's be mindful of the things that we say. As much as maybe they can make call na many boys no akasa, we na many amina akasa. We can even have a face-to-face meeting with them. No more say me munya time for munya nuanam asam na aba
before na ba.
Before na aba tie nyina ye fa chiche ho. Na me going forward no obia e bia plan when ye ade e ben ho. Presidents no will find a way of on hospital bills and I said bibi kakano, but don't go and be demanding an action from the Ghana Army almost no omnipa actually nkwa. Can you compensate the life of a person? Can you?
They say one ma simemufo na who say compensation number.
Thank you. And as see and who can say one condemning the killing of the soldier?
No.
Who condemning the brutalities? I did but the killing of the soldier there, you didn't condemn it. Meanwhile, as an MP, no one said, sir, obey uniform, you dare not touch the person. What is the man saying? What is he saying? This is political and foolish talk. Trust me. Wait, and when you say, who your press conference, who your beer, who bagumba, you go underground and do your cost of your day clean. Yes, I want a year so, MP a year. I don't defend maturity. Now we do political talk based on the speech of your former president, and you're unfortunate.
Right, I said the BR way after na MPs, both MPP and NDC, or more communicators, and granting interviews. I was so because they see where they same thing on my I can't remember say my Penny or my defense minister or multi committee. Right after the committee, Sami Jem few minutes squad or move a year propaganda the Kasaya. Who need say it's about time say your politicians is almost because assembly are politics. Now as a move push it to me for no omodi ya obi ashama kuma mi say mo kura soldiers for no mo pɛ asem because e si wo a dry NDC stronghold e si wo Ashiaman NDC stronghold then no mo kire aka so na ye kwa election year mu
and America said we should be careful the path we are treading. Wo former president say wo pɛ power samba bim ana me boa enti wo so ba na obi so e make all transfer. We don't need this. They be have say two political parties with LPP and NDC, they should ban them. Because almost said they need on mine hold up. Both of them no almost need on mine Ghana hold up. Trust me, Obia will be here. TSM both parties no almost need on mine hold up. Because who on mine hold up, I say na Kamekasa. Meanwhile, Parliament come with defense committee.
Yeah.
It's your own lesson, come, normally both sides, Ekasa. MP now, who are going to press conference, how do you go down, you know? No, are you going to war? Are you going to war?
More expression grievances.
More expression of grievances. Now, Ghana Army, now, almost they've lost a person in there. Have you gone there? No, yeah, for your secretary. We are behaving like a bunch of fools. See, I told you, because on who work with Jen anymore, on who work with Bino, and the panel would not yet show my income there. Work aside with the brutalities. Life not a hallucination. You are cool with it? Is that what we are telling people?
Now, what you couldn't pass and only just a Muslim Russia.
I don't make us say, and you both sides no angry here. But say, Ghana Armed Forces no only lose more. Who the other day, one year so I say, or no, they will lose the bank. What's in America? It's in the person, oh yeah, almost size in Yana, as I can, not your brother. Now, for going forward, and give me a banner, I didn't win some year. You're creating enmity. Say, Ghana Armed Forces, some more back Ashiaman. Yeah, training and you're back of course. Hey, now we have been over leading now. I mean, no, could you imagine that the thinking there's a whole day show which say we support you or some more find them? Take a man
because of votes.
Because of votes? It's a make a say politicians, you would do much here. Master, on my never because I will probably be a young you. I said, well, I collect ticket to Croncassa. Me back ticket to cry. I said, Wonka. What about you now after a press conference? And you are saying, and you are happy. What's
now,
this?
who you say, bra issue me by a deputy defense minister, Becca say, or moo a binding the chopper via the Mobiano. That one you said, no sooner I bro.
Now, and no sooner wrong. I don't know, make a comment that I'm saying, MPP and this in there something, but that was wrong statement. You can't say, a binding to me. No. Who your defense, whatever minister, you are for the people and the same time you are for the army. Who can I be oh, and yet, the one my boom, and yet, a small and you send your cats on me. Yes, so much in the panera, your pamochom franchise. Now, most of the moon, I said, Moon, Yan, changing from an uncle. And only I said, oh, can you, yes, I but who be able to say, yeah, apologize, say, you've also taken what? A stance. It is also about take a stance. What also Jimmy, where can now, well, who can, also buy, also men who can. So also take a stand. Where are we going as a nation?
There's a answer I remember, young share soldiers one. More dear, yet the mercy, a brave why you're dinner here. You're cool, be a pioneer of fashion, and I didn't know my Yama police. I'm a macro investigation.
That oh, my mother, who say your friend say, but soldiers per se, they don't really trust the police.
Why?
They feel say all the time, no, the police can be compromised.
Now, when you say no, so be hard inside.
That's their stance. Maybe their corner, military command is almost send you to go and find the killers. Yes, as to whether Majuma is another way, but maybe they say go and show them force, the strength of our force. Say we did. So almost I will do this. And until I'm some call when yet we because actually the stories say no too many stories wake up as assembly potting is here the cool guy no as unfortunate as it is no I think the soldiers need to calm down a bit. They need to know how to go about it properly.
When you
first but going forward the James say and then the trigger side weapon. And then the trigger side say ube will be your police uniform so that will say make what attacking what triggers it
when the AM to no moko here wo ba and I be and
say
there are only one mistake I am as security personnel so mo ye omo feel say me wa aban so what you say e ba me wo cruise eti soldier you don't have the right to weapon ejuma who say you who say kaki no dey kwani ya the man say fakochini and I say the man say uniform and if you attend but as e bi no akokoti nsem ne ameme ya beti so wo sha ne hu say ai when o tna kem ko be so beti ha police ni me who say e so kan wo bi because e bi say asamo ba so the funny police for to be to be a no ma boye in the moment I wo aba ele mu wo sa she e bi wa and conscious so the atada wo di say ka ma wo e bi aka ye nkono and then you are kakra dey jana but the moment o sha atade ye obi what memufo na komemu and then the trigger ma dey uniform no wo dey share wo ko ye dey
Say almost more uniform or to the PO. And yes,
oh
yes, be t-shirts no motion.
And only a difference.
Sometimes too, Tio, near say, baby on corner. If you out to on my baby missing, or be back, or who pay so say you a security person. It's a so ultimate chocky, no say we. Nina, ye, in church, as the mobile. Sam, we are so Jenny. Now don't use Sojano to intimidate me. Mammy, so mommy who say you are an enemy. Because Sammy, me not gonna so Jennico. No be attacking me. Also done as I'm a fraud. Papa, we can be away. Now who to me intervene? That is a kind of where I say that immune term. But a boy say me whom I make whom I make me or my neighbor.
I won't need to say brave set to me for so answer. I want some ACC because ye name say Ashiaman say no more here. Former president own him. Your current president any MP no own him. Say me uncrow for we say no more here. But I will ask to say walk up parliament and dare she na wo ye e dia ma wo mu. But what na sia na sense group be say sibia. Now fina mo ba ti memu fo na wo say ye kwa ye dom ye tamochi. Na mo ko to suje go asem because all the people won't ni say ti memu fo so brand ye tena se na ye ma ya adwene ye adwuma say politicians fit na ho no ma asem to ye wi asa na ma ba ye nchen. Asemu bi ensi ya ye mu sa Ashiaman ni baba ni fogo dada obi anim etana na matna ho ma adu this extent and sana mo be chere say ye ma musika na ma musika be who die ni ma kokot die le be si na ba go say
say no na say a foolish talk because who die ni na side o call na o ye MP for an area na some person who settle case there's no how to go about it say stance now we're taking no on me call Ghana Armed Forces for Anglican John say I want to settle it because why you so you fit it
no grant me
thank you so you fit it and no say won your penny you are not even fit to be an MP for the place because why you no mun star who betimi solve issues because whereby oh and can talk down step and no when they say you are mature person out to me able say now ko friend ko for now world ko jaboti and you ko for any make can say we are foolish talk. We shouldn't even condone some of these things when they're politics.
Maybe shut him before now. Or more try see Ashiaman 14 my
yeah,
because they will say former president and make statement and he or more episode became so much say as ye do ma by him some to mudi kwase ade ba obi amekan ya ba bu mu awie na mu gina machi Omo ye good leaders and comedy omo.
Say no they are not.
And that memu for no they are doing going forward as a country no. Nyansa be the yesu face at.
Say na make us say 2024 ba. Omo be use Ashiaman boys na to go and do what? To trust them. Now who ba na be use me Ashiaman boy. Na me who soldier na waka soldier say make sure you don't stop him. Manager your person ya. Next time me who soldier nya will I respect the person? It's a political class now na Omoma Sapa same way they are because in perform you almost share army I mean they are not ready to become soldiers. In Kofua macho guys are almost recruit you even now preparing them for 2024 as if Ghana is going for war. What I say I what a election kekeniako. Sabi obi papa ko ya ko try what I say and yes can dia person be dia aka me ko chema dia e so be na wo abroche ye to aba wo ko pe na ko di fie o pose election kwaso Ghana nko election day na army
so police force so
thank you sa jimie we akoso since 1992 jimie we akoso because of the constitution na yes stand na political class no would this can it was say time for me to go and chop money sa na wo.
And that going forward, near Essino and your first time, Bani at committee, no Macotanasi, no Manumti, now former president, Abekasa, current president, no money, no more, no Mugumusa. Going forward as a country, then I say,
it's not going forward as a country. We need to find the root cause. Boys, now you don't share so dear, and I mean,
party boys,
thank you. Because, oh no, 2024, what I'm promising is having a pay mama. To know who so the cool no or by shower. Don't I say national security.
Yeah, by power.
Yes, national security. Boys in the number. Go to the show and I'm the for girls and a number. Meanwhile, your national security, you're supposed to blend. Or be your money be a quickly you know. Now, one number who want my own me national security. What is wrong with you? As him say obi edmo CIA. No abejan say me edmo CIA. Ne yin kura nim. By a national security for no go to nam. Demon no be cry. Person. Now on the channel no or show off. Now what is wrong with us? Eti say ye politics every security system nim. Ye person man we gura. Enye saa dia nyesi no. Nketwa.
Director yen hwe tememufo no. Ekwanya obi de me dey bia me can see 2020 election. MPP MPs ye na mo ye campaign.
Yeah.
Oh na Adama e free water. Na Adama e free light.
Yeah.
Or the free SHS aba.
Yeah.
O mo ntimi akanya nsasemu bia ache tememufo de say wo to aba na me member of parliament me hwe say me MP me nya kwan. But me bo me mo dey say mo hawo me de be kom na hye bedwam. Na ya bobo mu na emo a esefatan the person in charge me ne be kasa na ye di aboa mu no akogina ho ne ya want to me nya na no watch tememfo so obetumi aye enti ye to aba ma based on the want to me nye wo obewie no on to me nya hwe enti going forward no tememnu na okoto aba no onim se MP na me koto aba ma ne kwa ni kwa so ye kwan eni kwa se sa ne ma bi se MP di ne hoji mo onim na ya kwa koto aba enti there na education be na ye farmer tememfo no who say before say ni para koto aba who say ono kwa na adumu do onim nyansa odeniema gwa come to become a leader for who na obedi uso no by every MPC be bra tibo koso for kwa
na say na me hwe joy news na papa bi a me refinity or ye legal person for MPP ono otro constitution ni omo manifesto ni mom good why gan why nkrani ena baby a yesi ba besi dan ama kairefo no wo mo so mo nkranfo so mo mpene no wo no di anim ena host nim says now manifesto you na wo di na nkotroe was so a political talk.
Wow.
Yes.
Where was it table so?
Thank you. I can't even say oh na saying na electrics no wo ma adwemu bie kakra because kasa bebre ka no enye
they are taking us for granted.
Of course. Since Kwame Nkrumah even take us for granted. It say now we are for now we need say MP nye roda na wajimi. Trust me. Because enye want to know about. Kaya ye na omo kano. Afen na one who say o say o besi na mom dia na nya bebre beba nyo kan nya sesemo. Anenti na o make sure say factory ebe come krom ho no matina ho na gan because yes land in the crown in crown for cry ehia nyansa no ka no na ye bebetu abane de when we say ono illegal brain behind the MPP manifesto make us massa this is when mama function political talk or the shame make say timamu for say when go for ya trust your mind say ya function on sa both NDC MPP.
Director, yeah, Konya Ghana Armed Forces, and I say, yeah, security system. As I buy Biaba or the soldiers, I buy Biaba or the police. And no, my buy Naba. We can't see a Montiano and say, Ruby, I know because of face and I buy and also. Who need to say no Kahubina? Because soldiers in himself or training is different. Yeah. But because of political influence in Momuye and Yama in the quiet somewhere, because what should you see where Johnny say, yeah. Regional minister e bra wo frɛ boys ni so omo ko ho e dey ase na wo ka kire ho omo dru wo no o man so ve environment na wo say e dey na ko demonstration keke e wo ana so dey sa akoto e shoot say dey omo ko wo
yeah omo ko wo
na ye kunipa free of charge ni bia nko so enti wo nyi ni say going forward no me party dey me ba ye into your all kono o ko in the name of MPP because on say e ba kwa ye nyi na di enti na me ko bo no ma betra ase wunyi ni say no so ka hu bi na ma e dia ba so just for bubo tememfo wunyi ni say no so ka
mami to me na ye dem ma politicians no constitution no say as is a constitution and there's nothing we can do
na why na e dia ni mu ye
we have to fight and go for referendum Mahama jina ho or your political talk 2015 who can the same thing say when you come you
na say mo come aban ye papa when you baby ko atamos na chance
what chance
say yes is a constitution
thank you or you na do Mahama buy no because everyone aban what the two baby the same way Kufuor or a learned lawyer before so buy or besisa once what Ghana politician be all catch us the constitution is wrong unless you change it massa I didn't say 71 who change fundamentally no power na wo executive ni say
me say 71 na wo monitor o person o be change constitution
ultimate constitution no because a long process near your first attackers use 4 years no and one is okotam na ye de ko na for ye ko referendum ya approve an exercise no simple Ghana will work but send your woman under the current constitution Ghana can never work.
Right, I go here call Ghana Armed Forces ne Ashiaman boys as you see no ya mo mati asese ya bo ma ye kan show mutim say mo dey first Ghana amamu a
ye go court
dey na wo ka cha fa no me na
me dey Ghana Armed Forces ajobre the other side to ajobre papa no be kai no boys mamu na chi o mo go na chi amagu kwa because your kai no wa soja agu pani kasasa ye nya esa politics nti na ye soja egum yenkunye ti ma force me njimi sa o omo the more yenkunye na the more omunya power. Let's be civil a bit asem na aba very unfortunate but asem won ye kan ye dia no ye kan ye fast kan ye fa ma Ghana Forces me pa mo chaw baby edu no munja mu na ye kan asem wo fie na ye hu ye nuanu mienu ena nya atokwa isi sabi ye nyina Ghana for e ba ye nyina Ghana for nti ye kan na mu se sabi from so na aba e bi kra omo mkoku no dia far off ena nipa innocent for na mobile na mo so mo tie papa we okasa no minya sure say wono amu oyobia manosi
yo emi say Anderson obo abaso wa pa o say o submission na wo dey ba no ne che ho and you know ono ana ni so the comment ni bibra ba ni say ye da say any wo comment a wo dey abanti abusia ba bia edu no ye de mo ebesi ha na me de bia meka timamufuo say ye nsu nyansa ne magari ni bento agye ye de ye kwakoto aba ne ama ogari ama osadi ba opani ama wanwa na utima ye de na feel say MP no mo de wa obua politician bia no wa wodwere ye ho omo nyina dey fight for their political party but not for the nation enti yama ye ni na wo say oman na going forward no ye nsu bibi every eniema tutu ye ni emu medi edina na efiase wa medase se wo jebre na wo hwe ye ma dwumedi no ekoso era medase se iti abusa ye fa munsi adwumedi bebe na aka wachi bo modi ase obe subscribe na wa share videos so ama afoforo ebre kwa de beto fom bia no ye ba be som makram
Isaac Nana Obiri Yeboa Enterprise ye Isaac Nana Obiri Yeboa Enterprise nkwan na betumi ama nkundwa papa ti said ya mesisu Isaac Nana Obiri Yeboa nkwan na betumi ama wo nkundwa ene ni wardrobe ne dining ne bar ene ni dressing mirror e wo man we mu ane bo no e dafo na beto nkundwa Isaac Nana Obiri Yeboa na service ka o dia frɛ no ma na egu screen so no Isaac Nana Obiri Yeboa Enterprise ye Isaac Nana Obiri Yeboa Enterprise nkwan na betumi ama nkundwa papa ti said ya mesisu Isaac Nana Obiri Yeboa nkwan na betumi ama wo nkundwa ene ni wardrobe ne dining ne bar ene ni dressing mirror e wo man we mu ane bo no e dafo na beto nkundwa Isaac Nana Obiri Yeboa na service ka o dia frɛ no ma na egu screen so no